Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS OZELIAs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the ADIDAS OZELIAs, and we've got this in the cool black colorway in the UK men's size 8. It's the US men's 8.5, and it's the European or the French 42. And this is part of Adidas's mission, or well, they got in this sticker here, it's their ambition to end plastic waste. So these sneakers are made out of recycled content. I can't really see it. To me, they look like a failed yeezy project, unfortunately. Well, here we go. Your looks, and it kind of reminds me of the old Adidas football boots as well as a failed Yeezy line. Maybe this was part of it, and you know, you kind of just let them take it. But yeah, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got different kind of patterns on the traction here, and you can essentially see the adiprene foaming. It's exposed, so you can see all those white bits at the midsole. So you can see bits of the rubber extending onto the midsole, and you can see it right here at the toes. It says adiprene. It's just an injected foam. Moving along onto the upper, and that's where we get into the design. And on the website, it says Adidas takes inspiration from their 90s lines or the 90s archives. I cannot see it. For me, when I think of the 90s Adidas lines, I think of the Adidas Climate Cools. Maybe that might have been early 2000s, however. But I think of like the Adidas EQTs. Those are the ones that I can think of off the top of my head. But this, to me, looks more of a modern, Kanye-inspired silhouette. Colorway, however, it reminds me of a football boot, as I mentioned before. But yeah, that's what Adidas have marketed this sneaker as. All that said, we look at the materials. So this is all textile materials here. It feels like it's neoprene, but it's not. I just know that it is all textile. So you can see here at the toe box area, it is synthetic suedes or synthetic materials, because suedes are leather, and it feels like, it doesn't feel like a suede, it feels like the cheap plastic suedes that you find. Very soft, however. And you're looking at the body of the sneaker, so essentially look, it is a sock unit. And what I do like are the little ripple effects. Reminds me of an Air Max 97. The three stripes here, iconic. You know, you can't make an Adidas sneaker without the three stripes. Lacing system, it's a quick lace system with round laces. You got a very nicely padded tongue with the ADIDAS OZELIA logo there. I don't know what they mean by OZELIA, but the sneaker reminds me of those Rego. We've done the street ball Adidas reviews, so you can check those out. Those are the same shapes to me, and it's more or less the same materials. Looking at the heel unit, so you've got nicely padded back at the heel here, and again the materials that are used on this mudguard is used at the back. Don't think that's reflected, but you can see the Adidas logo cut into the foam right there. The insole, I wouldn't say it's anything to write home about, but it's just an Adidas logo with trefoil logo. And very lightweight sneaker. If you're looking for an entry price point sneaker, this is one to go to. Tell you about the comfortability and how they feel on feet when we show you that on feet. So, you know, all that said, just roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adi fit. I just happen to be a UK men's size 8 for Adidas, and my toes are where they need to be. And this reminds me of an Air Huarache. If anything, guys, I know I kept saying the neoprene. Obviously, Air Huaraches are famous for being neoprene sneakers, but that's what they feel like. So if you're a fan of the Air Huarache, you might be a fan of these Ozelias. I hope I pronounced that right, by the way. So if anyone from Adidas is watching, let us know how to pronounce them correctly. Also, I must add, one thing that I disliked about these sneakers, because they are part of Adidas's campaign, their mission to reduce waste and any carbon emissions and all that, there was too much packaging on that. Whereas opposed to the Nike Move to Zero stuff, there's no packaging there at all. So maybe take that into account the next time you guys are packaging your Adidas and plastic waste sneakers. It's just a thought. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.